How to lock orientation in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock the orientation. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now here, you can select any of the book that you want to edit. So here, I'm tapping on this book. So here, it will take some time and I'm inside this book. Now again, simply double tap on it. So here, you will be able to see different tools that are available. Here on the right top, you can see this AA icon. Simply tap on this AA icon. So this is the section where you can make different adjustment and changes in the book. Here, tap on layout. Now slowly scroll down. Here on the last option, you can see orientation lock. So you can simply turn it on. So this will completely turn on or lock the orientation, and whichever direction you move the mobile, it won't have any problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.